Okay, hi guys, Ikit here, and let's see. Yeah, we have DrT, and I'm on my HQ18 account. Maxed everything offensive on that account. My Suka's level 18, and armory 18. Everything that I need is maxed. Even my critters. No, just kidding. But yeah, so we are going to take on DrT. Let's take a look. Don't need to scout stage 1. Should be able to get it anyway. But yeah, things are happening in the rejects family. We are well, first of all, I have a work week, which means I work for 7 days and then I'm 7 days off, but it's vacation and we are low on people, and so yeah, I'm gonna work almost 1 more week. Not entirely, I'm gonna be, that was some rewards. I have to look at that. Did I actually get, yeah, I did. Three fragments, 2 shards and 1 crystal at stage 1. Wow. Yeah, so I'm busy at work, since we are low on people, which also means that, well, where I work, I can't use my cell, don't have reception, and yeah, so basically I can't check in. That's why I left with my main, because, well, I want to fully boost, and I want to plan my attacks, and I want to be as useful as I can. So I brought it to Mini, but when I came, this morning I got on Discord notification that I should join Blue, and I was like, what? Yeah, so apparently we have split up the 25-man main to two tens, and we are going to push against leaderboard to see, I guess you can call it a competition, but well, let's see. I ended up in a very strong team. I definitely think we can win. I don't know if there's any prizes or what's the real point, but yeah, let's see about that later. But yeah, I'm happy with the team I'm in. The only weak link, as I could see, is Jimmy, Cosmic Duo Jimmy, because, well, not because he's a bad player. Oh, that was a bit overkill. Not because he's that kind of a bad player or like that, but I can't say that he's been that super active, which, in my opinion, brings him down a bit in operation-wise, since I believe he's 65 now, and well, if you are level 65, you've probably been playing a bit, at least over a year. Even if you put money into it, it takes over a year to get it to 65. And well, you've been playing for over a year, you should be pretty good in operation. Not saying that you should be one of the best in any way like that, but you should at least know some basics. But yeah, hey, let's see. Fun thing. Looking forward to that. I'm not gonna be that active in the chat or in in general, like that in that task force, but I saw that we have a swag, so no actual need to be that active, help out with the planning, because, well, Swagmeister, the swagger, he's a beast at planning, so that should not be any problems for our part to get good notes and to get, well, everyone will probably know exactly what to do, since, yeah, he's a great player, great planner, been playing for long, and stage 4 goes down, easy stage 4. Yeah, so and I have Lurch with me, he's a beast, and Chibi, and we have Master Blaster, and so, well, if you have a nasty opening base, we know who to send, and yeah, I think we have a really strong team. This is going to be, let's get some free GBE. This is going to be an I hate this drop I'm gonna show you, because I have nothing to lock onto. I have nothing to lock on my Sukas to, and they are gonna spread, so I need to flare up before they, well, that went better than I could even imagine. Look at that. I even kept my delay. And I lost it somewhere else. Stupid brick probably went somewhere else. Well, and we have enough for some shocks, should be fine. Let's shock you and you and you and medkits. Yeah, stage 5 goes down. Lost a couple of ladies. Actually lost pretty much of my ladies. Actually should stay back in the corner a little longer and put your shock and then flare the HQ. You get one of the mortars and you get the machine gun better. And that way you can... I should maybe have scouted this one. And we have a left. And we have lots of mines. Hey, let's do this. See a parking place. Straight up. Are we gonna hit that mine? Hey, let's take that way. And let's side drop. We need some space, maybe there. And oh, one went on the other side, but that should be fine. Yeah, we are fine. So good so far. And let's get brick a little bit behind. Let's get nice tight line. Nice. 2 smokes. 50 GBE. 44, 40 left. Shock. Missed that one. That shock. Well, we got it anyway. Lost lots of ladies. You should be able to shock better. Those 2 shock launchers should fit in one. But, oh, 2 crystals. Nice. And stage 7. This time let's scout it. We have some free GBE back there. Nice to know. And we have level 22 mines. Let's go. Let's see. I start with 108 now, since my tribes are boosted. Well, didn't get that mine, so let's take that one. And that boom mine, so we don't have brick running over it. That should be fine. Let's see if we can get, I think I saw one 749. 7, and get 9 back, come on. No, oh. I have too weak. It's too weak, it didn't get it down, but 92 we should be able to get. It's not that far walk. Let's try this. Everyone just below, if you check on your, when you're landing this, check just below that. Oh, I should have gone for the kill zone instead. That's gonna be waste of GBE, since now I need to, well, actually I'm gonna do this a bit different. Let's do like this and this and this and medkit. That was horrible. That was awful. Don't do it like that. I missed even the shock launcher. Let's do that again, but this time we are gonna move back. We're gonna move behind. This one looked very easy actually. Let's get the mines and hopefully that crate. Get back some, yes, get back some GB. That mine and that mine. We couldn't get 749. Oh, late. Oh, no. Oh, no. Come on. Well, I'm in a bit of a rush. That's why I'm doing this a little sloppy. Let's see if we can't do this better. Actually, that one went a lot better. 5 or 6 we can trade. Yep. More GB this time. Smoke. And land all our ladies there. Smoke. This time we are gonna go to the kill zone. Smoke. Yeah. Shock, and medkit. Oh, that shock launcher should have focused on that one, but this should be good. Come on, yeah. 3 shocks, you should be able to get it. Place your shocks a little better, Wine. Get that shock launcher in the back. Didn't lose that many ladies, but the shock launcher took away some of my time for shooting. But hey, all 7 stages unboosted. Let's check that I am unboosted. Yes, unboosted. And tribal boost. I have my 2 tribes. Both are level 4 and boosted 4 times. So not fully boosted, but they are boosted. I need 100 more. Let's get that one, and let's get you upgrading to 5. Nice. Yep, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna probably be following the new task force that I'm in with some videos. 10 man, can probably show every attack. But thanks for watching. Bye guys.